Good morning, friends. Let's discuss all the table of contents that we will cover in this JDK 21 series. So, first of all, we'll start with the Java installation and project setup. So, because Java 21 has been recently released, so that's why the rule of thumb is that we have to install the latest versions of Maven, IntelliJ, and then we will see that what are the changes that we need to do in Maven pom.xml to include all those like the features that we need to enable. So we'll go through all of that in details in the project setup part. That will be chapter 1. After that, we'll proceed with project Loom. So project Loom is actually comprising of 3 of the JEPs, which is virtual threads, scoped values, and structured concurrency. After that, we covered the chapter 2 part, which is I think the most interesting part of the whole JDK 21, virtual threads and structured concurrency. After that, we'll proceed with Project Amber. In Project Amber, it was all related to the string templates, record patterns, patterns matching for switch, unnamed patterns and variables, unnamed classes, and instance main methods. This is also like quite exciting feature that we'll cover in chapter 3, Project Amber. After that, we'll proceed with Project Panama, which is chapter 4, where we'll discuss 2 very interesting topics about vector API and foreign function and memory API. Vector API, I think, is very much, it makes a very unique way that how to very fast do all those like linear algebra type of things in Java. This is very first time that we are going to do that. After that, in chapter 5, we will be having core libraries enhancements. For example, we have got sequenced collections, which is again a very new topic. It's not about sorting or it's not about the previous version that we had, like the list version. It is a new type of concept of sequence collections. In chapter 6, we'll cover about performance updates, in which we will see that what are the enhancements which has been done on ZGC, which is and there we'll see about a generation and ZGC that has been introduced in Java 21. After that, we'll move to key encapsulation mechanism API. So these topics are more about a theory part, and after that, the last chapter would be maintenance and deprecation. So in every Java release, we always there a lot of like deprecated libraries are being removed, and this is what we will cover it. We have to deprecate the Windows 32-bit x86 port for removal. It's again quite a theoretical concept that we'll learn in this chapter. And finally, we'll conclude our whole series with prepare to disallow the dynamic loading of agents. So this is all about the table of contents. And in the next video, we'll start with the very basic Java installation first, with Maven installation, IntelliJ installation, and project setup. So see you guys all in the next video.